Hello guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Jessica Sanchez delivers a powerful rendition of Ordinary while 8 months pregnant. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood 'tong, performance ni Jessica Sanchez sa America's Got Talent 2025. Kaya i-play na natin 'to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright. Okay, bilang tayo ulit guys and 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Jessica.
This child lost his faith, the colors will fade eventually. So if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my, oh my.
Wow.
Take a look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous of what we found, something so out of the ordinary.
Grabe, ang galing niya.
You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous of what we found. Oh, this
Grabe yung quality ng boses ni Jessica, no?
on this side of heaven's gate. Oh, my life, how do you breathe and take my breath
Wow.
away? At your altar, I will pray. You're the sculptor on the clay. Oh, you're taking me
Wow. Sobrang napaka-powerful nun.
out, you're laying me down to a dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous of what we found. Something so out of the ordinary.
Oh,
You got
ang
me
galing.
kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch. From love and turn me to dust. The
Wow.
angels up in the clouds are jealous of what we found. Something so out of the ordinary. You got me kissing the ground of your sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch. Oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous. Know what we found.
Wow. Galing. Ang galing ni Jessica, grabe. Nakaka-proud. Wow, standing ovation pati yung mga judges, oh. Grabe, favorite. Grabing performance niya, no?
Jessica Sanchez! Sophia, your golden buzzer!
Bravo, Jessica!
Bravo talaga.
That was amazing. I know that you have felt that you've been struggling because
Buntis
of
pa
the
yan,
belly
guys, ha?
and the breathing and your
Grabe
voice
yung
doesn't feel
boses
the
niya,
same,
no?
but that was spectacular. And
Perfect
America
yung kanya, yung
is
voice tone
loving
niya,
you.
yung quality ng boses niya, sobrang galing, eh.
You are the best.
Simon!
Yeah.
Well, I am absolutely blown away because a few seconds ago, before
Ooh.
Jessica came out, I heard that she wasn't feeling too good, and I said, "Look, honestly, it's genuine. It's your choice whether you want to do this or not." And she said, "Oh, I'm talking for you." And Jessica said, "No, I want to do this." And I said, "Well,
Wow.
you're a very brave person. However, you said that. I'm so happy you did because you have such an amazing tone, such an amazing, and not only that, you have this amazing, I call it
Voice.
a glow, right?
Yes.
A glow
Yeah,
about
winning
you.
glow.
And people are
A
going to
winning glow.
really like you. I really believe, root for you, and I'm so happy after all these years on our 20th anniversary, you've come back. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Mel B!
Can I just say to you, you have never sounded better. I swear
Yeah.
to God.
Oh my goodness.
Brilliant.
I'm so proud of you,
I was
Jessica.
just, when you hit those big notes, I was worried that this production was going to turn into a reproduction. So I'm just live through this.
Now, Jessica, listen, it was 20 years
Grabe
ago
yung laki
you were
na ng
here.
tummy
Now
niya.
you're back and you're a mom. And listen, you almost didn't come on stage. What does this mean to you right now?
Oh, it means everything. You know, I think I take pride in what I do on stage, and I didn't want to let my big belly affect that. So I'm super happy I was able to deliver. The judges loved it, and hopefully America loves it. Thank you guys so much.
Well, we are so glad you're here too. Good luck tonight, Jessica.
Hey, ang galing ni Jessica Sanchez, no? Nakaka-proud, no? Bilang isang Pilipino na talagang ma-amaze ka sa galing ng talento ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa kantahan. Lalo-lalo si Jessica, no? Sobrang nakaka-proud. And yeah, supportahan po natin si Jessica Sanchez. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye po!